How to enable or disable bookstore on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down. In here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Allow Apps and Features. Next in here, we go down and tap on Bookstore. Tap on the Bookstore toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you switch it off, you are now disabling Bookstore, and when you do so, Bookstore will not be available on your home screen or in the app library. So here, if I look for Bookstore, it will not be available. Now give it a few moments for the change to applied. So after some times, you will not be able to find Bookstore. So here, if I go back into settings and turn on Bookstore, then again, once you turn it on, you need to give it a few seconds so that the change can be updated. In here, after that, Bookstore will be available. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.